Guys, welcome to my channel. Today we shoot this beautiful look. It's amazing and I can't wait to share with you guys the pictures and the video and everything. I have my cup right there and then I'm gonna take it off, two-piece, and then I have my cupricus. I'm gonna squeeze, gonna stir it together. Then I'm gonna add vitamin to it. So you guys know I'm a freak of vitamin. I always add vitamin. The reason I'm gonna add vitamin now, because I want the vitamin sit on it. This is the vitamin. I'm gonna drop 2, 1, 2, 3. So now the vitamin is in. We're gonna stir it. I'm making my own mass, so you see it looks like an oatmeal. So now we're gonna place it down for a while, remove all my makeup. So let's begin now. So first we're gonna remove your eyelash. See, and then we're gonna use the global makeup. We're gonna do the lips first. Makeup remover, it's called albolene something, but it's really good for makeup. And ladies, this product is good if you wear waist trainer, you wearing waist 24 hours before you put on your waist trainer. You don't have to burn your skin. Some of them have latex on it. Apply this before you put on your waist. Gonna apply. Oh, super cool, guys. I made my own mask. Oh, you know, baking soda is good for everything, guys. Mineral vitamin water, we're gonna use that. Oil smells so good. Thank you for watching. I hope to see you soon, and don't forget to subscribe and leave comment. This brand